Hello and welcome to IKEA 101. Wall decorations add atmosphere and personality to a room. They tell stories of people living there. They can make a plain room look beautiful and unique. To start with, to achieve a uniform and calm impression, you can stick to one color and material, just like this ready-to-hang art. When hanging pictures and frames on a wall, create unity by using imaginary horizontal or vertical lines. Come on, try different variations to suit your style. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye!